A collective bargaining agreement is an agreement negotiated between an employer and a labor union that governs the terms and conditions of employment. In United Steelworkers of America versus Enterprise Wheel and Car, we explore whether courts may review the merits of arbitration awards entered under collective bargaining agreements. United Steelworkers of America, a labor union, entered into a collective bargaining agreement with Enterprise Wheel and Car. The agreement provided that any disputes regarding its meaning or application would be submitted to an arbitrator, whose decision would be binding and final. If the arbitrator determined that Enterprise wrongfully discharged an employee, the agreement further provided that Enterprise would reinstate the employee and fully compensate him for time lost. Several union members, whom we'll refer to collectively as the employees, walked off the job to protest a coworker's termination. The next day, Enterprise advised that the employees were out of jobs, quote, until this thing was settled one way or the other, unquote. The union filed a grievance, but Enterprise refused to arbitrate. The union then filed suit in federal district court seeking specific performance. The district court ordered arbitration. The collective bargaining agreement expired after the employee's discharge, but before the arbitrator rendered a decision. The arbitrator found that the employee's conduct merited at most a 10-day suspension. Accordingly, he ordered that Enterprise reinstate the employees with back pay, minus 10 days, and any amounts they earned through other employment. The arbitrator found that the collective bargaining agreement's expiration didn't impact his ability to order reinstatement. Enterprise failed to comply with the arbitrator's award. The district court granted the union's motion to enforce. On appeal, the Fourth Circuit found that the arbitrator's award was unenforceable because he'd failed to specify the amounts to be deducted from the employee's back pay. The Fourth Circuit concluded that requiring the parties to complete arbitration could remedy that defect. The Fourth Circuit further found that those portions of the award, ordering reinstatement and back pay, accruing after the collective bargaining agreement's expiration, were unenforceable. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.